Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to split or merge dimension lines using the Split and Merge Dimensions command in BIMLOGIQ Copilot. First, choose an action. You can either split dimension lines into two or merge multiple dimensions into a single continuous one. Now select the dimension elements you want to modify. These will be used for either splitting or merging. Now click Run button. BIMLOGIQ Copilot performs the split or merge based on your input and updates the dimensions instantly. Now, let's try the split action. You can enable the Delete Splitting Reference option if you want to remove the inner reference after splitting. This helps clean up unnecessary dimension segments. Let's click the Run button, and the Copilot interface will prompt us to pick a point to perform the split action. And after picking a point, we see that the dimension has been split into two pieces. And what if we don't check the Delete Splitting Reference option? Let's see how it works. Same as with the other splitting option, Copilot will prompt us to pick a point to perform the split action. And here it is. Our dimension has been split into two pieces without deleting the dimension references. Thank you for watching, and happy dimensioning with BIMLOGIQ.